Could you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah. Actually, my name is Dr. Yasmin Ahmed. I am a veterinary doctor. I work under Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. And I also a branch officer of our training cell of our department. And I am in the Guwahati head office of our department. And my hobby is I like to listen music, watching movie, and I like to play badminton. And nowadays, I love to connect with the people of different state nowadays. That's much actually.
Yeah. So, ma'am,
Uh,
I have a one question that in order to learn English language, environment is important or like taking class is important. Who is important? Suppose one people who is getting environment to learn English language. Suppose whenever like he goes to outside, like he speak in English language, he listen English language, and second person who is
mm,
taking English class, who is taking English class to learn English language. So who will learn fastly? One person he is getting environment, or second person he is taking English class. Who will learn English fastly?
Actually, in my view, that is who are taking part in the mainly in the speaking part. Because of speaking only, we can improve. Because see, if we do not only listen and the things in podcast or we talking to other one, that is the main key point of speaking. But when we learn the things, if we do not practice that one, that it will be not very much useful. That's why in speaking purpose we have to main focus on the speaking part only. No need to worry about the grammar or any other things. To we have some time we have to read, and generally in the busy time we can listen in the podcast or any other things by putting our head earbud or headphone like that. And these are the main key point which we have to improve only in the main in the beginners. For beginners, they have to improve their speaking skill by only speaking, not taking the classes. Or but no doubt classes is also important. We can improve our grammars or any other important things. We can learn these things, but main thing is that we have to speak much more beginning at the beginning part, like that.
Suppose I am a person like who didn't go to any school. Suppose I am a person. I didn't study in school. I didn't study in madrasa. It means I am uneducated person, but I want to learn English language. So is it possible to learn English language for those people
Yeah,
who didn't
actually,
study in
uh,
school?
uh, yeah. For speaking skill, no need to study, because for speaking only we have to practice. We have practice to our tongue, or this much needed. Because see, for babies who do not know anything, they are grown up. They by hearing the sound of their relatives or like that. When they hear the things and they get the things by their brain catch up, then automatically their voice or their come to their tongue. So that's why no need to actually they, if they are illiterate or they don't know about reading or writing, can speak by learning, by listening. By listening the things, they can speak and practice the things. When they practice, then automatically they will learn to speak, like that.
Because nowadays you will see that mostly people who are under 30 or 35, 30, 40 years old, they also want to learn English language. They studied in Hindi medium school, they didn't study in English medium school, but they want to learn English language. So can they learn English language by listening, by speaking?
Yeah, definitely. See, I am also in the SMS medium background in my schooling time. So that's why I have one kid, he is in 10th standard. So I can practice with my son sometime 3, 4 years ago. Actually, he is in a boarding school. On that boarding school, they have to submit their some project in English, or sometime they have to give some drama in English. So I have to that engage him on on making the drama in English. So I practice with him so that he can try the drama or something like that. So whenever I practice with him, then automatically my speaking skill will improve like that only. I do not take any class or anything. Just I speak with my son, and sometimes I call in the that SE fluency like that. Gradually, that will improve. No need to worry about it is 40 years old or 50 years old. They can speak English by practice like that.
That
Practice is
means
key.
there is no age limit to learn language.
Yeah, yeah, no age limit, no
It
age
means
limit.
only, yeah, only in order to learn skills, education is important. But if you want to learn language like
And
English, any language, no need to any like any degree.
degree, yeah, yeah, no need.
Suppose
Actually,
suppose
I
you are only ninth pass. Suppose you are only fifth pass, only ninth pass. Then you can start your English journey
yeah,
without hesitation.
yeah, definitely, definitely. And I have seen in the Skype app so many, some of our 60 years old, they are retired person. They are also in this group because they are busy and they trained up their brain so that the brain cannot dull. So that's why they are in the Skype app, they are practice their English, and they time pass in the good things or good in the use of technology like that. There is no age limit to learning anything, not only speaking, but anything you may learn at any age. Learning is the process. We have to learn the things at any age, like that, actually.
You know, ma'am, some people have only ninth pass only. Some people they are only ninth pass, but they want to speak English language. They are not able to read English language, but they want to speak. So, is it possible they can speak English language?
Yeah, yeah, it is possible because if they can listen the things, listening also a main key. They could not write or they could not read the things, but they can hear the things by learning. Some small podcasts are there, and some easy language, English easy topics are there, and by nowadays all the stories are available in the internet or YouTube. All the stories are, if they listen the stories in English like that, day by day can practice in front of the mirror, or they can practice with other friends like that. They can improve the things by listening, not reading, or they don't know actually reading or writing, then they can listen the things. They can do such type of things like that.
But you know, nowadays I have seen many people. You have also seen many, mostly students who are learning English language. They are spending lot of money to improve their English communication skill. They are spending lot of amount to learn English language. So what do you want to say? What do you want to tell for those people who want to spend lot of money to this language? Is it compulsory to spend lot of money to learn English language, or just they can practice their self at home?
Actually, in beginner level, they can practice by them. If they are reaching in the intermediate level, and if they have some interviews, or they have some, they go to the some corporate sector or something like that, they can practice on by trainer, because the trainer trained up by good way, so that they can perform good before the trainer. For basic part, you should basic or beginner level, you can grown up to the intermediate level, then only you can go for a trainer, and you can trained up by a trainer. It will be better, because after that intermediate, even no, at intermediate level, they should know the proper grammar. At that time they required, but there is no need to much more money to use. Some 1 month or 2 months, if they can learn by trainer, it will be beneficial, actually, some
No, but
part.
I'm talking about for those people. They want to speak only. They want to speak. They want to learn English language for only communication. Just they want to talk to anyone. That's why they are learning English language. For those people, what do you want to say?
For those people don't require that trainer, because only they have to speak much and more. Then automatically, if they 30 minutes or 20 minutes daily practice, then automatically they are improving day by day. 2 months is I guarantee that one, because it is the main key to speak. For speaking, only practice daily 20 minutes or 30 minutes, then automatically your fluency will be improving like that.
Actually, consistency is important to learn English language. Some coaching center give you offer. Some coaching center give you offer. If you come here, then you will be able to speak fluently within 6 months. So it's
Yeah.
not a true. It's not true.
Uh,
It can't be happen. After 6 months, you will be able to speak fluently.
mhm.
But some coaching center give you offer. If you come here, then you will be able to speak fluently within 6 months. That's
6
why
months.
mostly student like go to a coaching center and they spend a lot of money, maybe 10,000, 15,000. Despite the after taking class, they will be not able to speak fluently. So
Yeah.
in my point of view, consistency is important. And language, I think so. Language, it will take time, minimum 1 year, 2 year. If you are a beginner, you know very well grammar knowledge. Despite this, it will take time, minimum 1 year or 2 years to learn English language to be fluent.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. It is right, actually. And whatever I have seen that they use so much money on that classes, but after
Yeah,
3 months or after 4 months, they don't speak. If they do not practice, no meaning of that money, because it will spoil the money. Just like that. The main
yeah,
key is to speaking skill is the main key, and actually writing and listening, that is also and reading is also important. If we read daily 2 3 pages of a book, then also it will very much improve. It will be very much good for improving the fluency like that. So that's why.
yeah. Because I have seen many students. They took class for 6 months. 6 months. Despite this, they are not able to speak. After that, they will think that I think so. It's very difficult for me, so I can't speak English language. After that, they left. They left. So it
Yes.
happens. It happens. If you think that after 6 months I will be able to speak fluently, so it's a wrong thing. If you think like this, so it's a wrong thing. You have to change your mindset because
Yeah,
English language will take time.
yeah, yeah. Actually, I want to say that if they want to speak, then nowadays technology are much more improving. So there is a many more talking that apps are there, no? Like AC Fluency, like others. Then they can practice on that. That charges are very minimum on that app, so they can
Right.
practice on that by audio call only. They can practice after 3 months, they automatically their fluency will be increases like that. They at the beginner level they can practice by audio call. That is very much important, audio call, because see, in our home or in our office or any other place, we generally talk in only mother tongue, but
Yeah, right.
whenever we got such type of platform, we can talk to others, different state of participant or co-learners are there, then automatically our fluency will come. Actually, what happened in home, whenever I speak to my son in English, our conversion is automatically converted into our